Hello, welcome to my profile. I am Asmamaw-Assefa from Ethiopia. I have graduated in mechanical engineering before 6 years and in BA degree management recently. And currently I have graduated from ALX by the profession of virtual assistant, and now I'm working with companies on the following roles like presentation design, email management, calendar management, travel planning, resume and cover letter design, 2D and 3D mechanical parts design, video editing and content writing, resume and cover letter design. Many things I can do with the companies, and I can deliver very qualified work for you. So let's do together, and I will be responsible for the role that you will give me. Thank you very much.